Well, we were here at the house last night, and our cat was out in the back porch, which is a covered porch. At about 20 after 9, I walked out to get him, see what was bugging him. He kept running back and forth, so I picked him up to bring him in, and about that time, we got one whale of a gust of wind and rain, and by the time I got to the door coming in, my back was soaked. And we just got in, closed the door, and all of a sudden we heard this awful rumbling and two big bangs. First one wasn't too bad, the second one really shook the house over. And then in about another minute, it was all quiet. The storm was going. We brought it down Friday, parked it here, figured we'd get it licensed, and well, you can see what's left of it.